Building wealth in your 20s and aiming for early retirement is a topic that resonates with many young adults today. Financial literacy is crucial at this stage of life, as it equips you with the knowledge and skills to make informed decisions about your money. Understanding concepts like budgeting, investing, and saving can set the foundation for a secure financial future. Starting wealth-building strategies early offers numerous benefits. The earlier you begin to save and invest, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. This means that even small contributions can lead to significant wealth over time. Additionally, establishing good financial habits now can help you avoid common pitfalls that many face later in life, such as debt and poor spending choices. In this discussion, we'll explore practical steps you can take to achieve financial independence. By focusing on building wealth in your 20s, you can pave the way for a comfortable and fulfilling early retirement, allowing you to live life on your own terms. Understanding wealth building. Wealth building refers to the process of accumulating assets over time to achieve financial security and independence. It involves not just saving money, but also making strategic investments that can grow your wealth in the long run. The significance of wealth building lies in its ability to provide a safety net for unexpected expenses, fund future goals, and ultimately secure a comfortable lifestyle. A key aspect of wealth building is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets are resources that generate income or appreciate in value, such as real estate, stocks, or savings accounts. In contrast, liabilities are obligations that drain your finances, like loans or credit card debt. Focusing on acquiring assets while minimizing liabilities is essential for effective wealth building. Moreover, cultivating a positive mindset towards money is crucial. Your beliefs and attitudes about finances can significantly influence your financial decisions. Embracing a growth mindset encourages you to seek opportunities, learn from setbacks, and remain committed to your wealth-building journey. By understanding these concepts, you can lay a strong foundation for a prosperous financial future. Setting financial goals. Setting achievable financial goals is a vital step in your wealth-building journey. Start by encouraging yourself to create both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals might include saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card, while long-term goals could involve buying a home or planning for retirement. Having a mix of both types of goals keeps you motivated and focused on your financial future. To ensure your goals are effective, consider using the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," a SMART goal would be, "I will save $5,000 for a down payment on a car within the next 12 months." This clarity helps you stay on track and measure your progress. Tracking your progress is equally important. Regularly reviewing your goals allows you to celebrate small victories and make necessary adjustments along the way. Whether you use a budgeting app or a simple spreadsheet, keeping an eye on your financial journey will help you stay motivated and committed to achieving your goals. Budgeting basics. Understanding the fundamentals of budgeting is essential for wealth accumulation. Creating a monthly budget is one of the most effective ways to manage your finances. It helps you gain a clear picture of your income and expenses, allowing you to allocate funds towards savings and investments. By knowing where your money goes each month, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. To simplify the budgeting process, consider using tools like Mint or YNAB. You need a budget. These apps can help you track your spending, categorize expenses, and set savings goals. They provide valuable insights into your financial habits, making it easier to stick to your budget and identify areas for improvement. Tracking your spending is crucial for successful budgeting. Regularly reviewing your expenses allows you to see if you're staying within your budget or if adjustments are needed. If you find yourself overspending in certain categories, don't hesitate to make changes. Flexibility is key to effective budgeting, and by adjusting your spending habits, you can ensure that you're on the right path toward wealth accumulation. Investing early. Starting to invest in your 20s can significantly impact your financial future, and one of the most compelling reasons is the power of compound interest. When you invest early, your money has more time to grow, as interest earns interest over time. This exponential growth can lead to substantial wealth accumulation, making it easier to reach your financial goals. There are various investment options available, including stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Stocks offer the potential for high returns, while ETFs and mutual funds provide diversification, spreading your risk across multiple assets. Each option has its own benefits, so it's essential to research and choose what aligns with your risk tolerance and investment strategy. Additionally, consider taking advantage of retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs. These accounts not only provide tax benefits, but also often come with employer matching contributions, which can significantly boost your savings. By starting to invest early and utilizing these accounts, you set yourself up for a more secure and comfortable retirement, allowing your money to work for you over the long term. Building multiple income streams. Diversifying your income sources is a crucial strategy for financial stability and wealth accumulation. Relying solely on a single paycheck can be risky, especially in uncertain economic times. By exploring side hustles, freelancing, and passive income opportunities, you can create multiple streams of income that enhance your financial security. Side hustles can range from driving for a rideshare service to selling handmade crafts online. Freelancing allows you to leverage your skills, whether in writing, graphic design, or programming, to earn extra money on your own terms. Additionally, passive income opportunities, such as investing in real estate or creating digital products like ebooks or online courses, can generate revenue with minimal ongoing effort. Encourage yourself to explore your skills and interests for potential income generation. For example, if you have a knack for photography, consider offering portrait sessions or selling stock photos. Many successful entrepreneurs started with small side businesses that eventually grew into full-time ventures. By diversifying your income streams, you not only increase your earnings but also build resilience against financial setbacks, paving the way for a more secure future. Avoiding debt traps. Managing and avoiding debt is essential for maintaining financial health and achieving your wealth-building goals. One of the most significant dangers comes from credit card debt and high-interest loans, which can quickly spiral out of control if not managed properly. The high interest rates associated with these debts can lead to a cycle of borrowing that becomes increasingly difficult to escape. To avoid falling into debt traps, it's crucial to practice responsible borrowing. Only take out loans or use credit cards when necessary, and always aim to make timely repayments. Setting up automatic payments can help ensure you never miss a due date, which can also protect your credit score. Building credit responsibly is another vital aspect of financial management. Start by obtaining a credit card with a low limit and use it for small purchases that you can pay off each month. This practice not only helps you establish a positive credit history, but also teaches you the importance of managing your spending. By being proactive and informed about your borrowing habits, you can avoid debt traps and pave the way for a more secure financial future. Retirement planning. Retirement planning is a crucial aspect of financial independence, especially if you aspire to retire early. The earlier you start saving for retirement, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest, which can significantly enhance your financial security in later years. By prioritizing retirement savings in your 20s and 30s, you set yourself up for a comfortable lifestyle when you decide to step away from the workforce. One popular movement that emphasizes early retirement is FIRE, which stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. This approach encourages individuals to save aggressively and invest wisely, allowing them to retire much earlier than the traditional age. The FIRE community advocates for living below your means and prioritizing savings to achieve financial freedom. To effectively plan for retirement, it's essential to calculate your retirement needs and savings goals. Consider factors such as your desired lifestyle, expected expenses, and potential income sources. By understanding how much you need to save, you can create a tailored plan that aligns with your retirement aspirations, ensuring you can enjoy the freedom and security you desire in your golden years. Continuous learning and adaptation. Ongoing financial education is essential for achieving and maintaining financial success. The world of finance is constantly evolving, and staying informed can help you make better decisions regarding your wealth-building strategies. Encourage yourself to read books on personal finance, attend workshops, and follow financial news to keep your knowledge up to date. This proactive approach will empower you to navigate the complexities of managing your money effectively. As your financial situation changes, whether due to a new job, a significant life event, or shifts in the economy, it's crucial to adapt your strategies accordingly. Flexibility in your financial planning allows you to respond to new challenges and opportunities, ensuring that you remain on track toward your goals. In addition to traditional resources, consider exploring podcasts and online courses that focus on personal finance and investing. These platforms offer valuable insights and practical tips from experts in the field, making learning accessible and engaging. By committing to continuous learning and adapting your strategies, you can enhance your financial literacy and build a more secure and prosperous future. As you embark on this journey, remember that every small action counts. I encourage you to take the first steps today, whether it's creating a budget, exploring investment options, or setting financial goals. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might benefit from it. Together, we can build a community focused on financial empowerment and independence. Thank you for watching, and let's continue this journey toward financial success.